for stopping by Six Brothers Beef Company's channel. In today's video, we're making some red Argentinian shrimp kebabs. It's gonna be awesome with some sweet peppers. I got my buddy Paul here. He's gonna make some garlic sauce, show you how to make that, and we're gonna baste these shrimp kebabs with it. So it's gonna be an awesome time. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and get down with these kebabs. And here we got our red Argentinian shrimp that we thawed out in the sink in this bowl. We just simply filled it with water until it filled over the shrimp to make sure we got a good coverage. And it took about 15 minutes to thaw out. And we're gonna go ahead and marinate it in some fire roasted salsa, the hot version, from Smokin' Brews Barbecue and Beer. It's not crazy hot, but it's got some really good flavors in there. So we're gonna go ahead and put enough in there to make sure we get a good coating on all of our shrimp for these kebabs. Probably gonna add a little bit more. Alright guys, y'all saw Paul was with me in the introduction. He's gonna show how to make an awesome garlic butter with some extra flavors in it. But before we do, how can they follow you exactly?
Hey guys, so you can go catch me on Instagram. I'm at Good to Go Eats. Got the big blue and green thumbs up, so come over and give me a follow.
So we're gonna go ahead and get this camera repositioned and show you how to make an awesome basting butter for these shrimp kebabs.
So what we started off with is 2 sticks of salted butter. You know, I like it softened so you can work with it a little bit. We're also using Goya minced garlic in the jar here. I like using Goya because you know it's made from the U.S. and it's not the garlic you got to worry about. And then we're also using Heaven Made products. It's incredible, and also Amazing Cajun. So it's great stuff. It adds great depth, great flavor, just about anything. So what I like starting off with is we'll just do like a tablespoon of It's Incredible. Put it in there. And we'll do a tablespoon of Amazing Cajun, our garlic. And of course, you know, always remember to put your dry ingredients in first before you do your wet. And then, like taking just a big old heaping spoonful, because I know we like garlic here. So, put that down. And then I just take a fork and use that fork to incorporate these ingredients. And what you're looking for is a nice texture, firm but smooth, kind of like you would get, you know, margarine out of a tub. So we'll keep mixing this until we get what we need.
So we've got our combination for our skewers right here, our shrimp kebabs, and we've got our red Argentinian shrimp that we've been marinating for about an hour in that fire roasted salsa. Information on where to get that will be down below in the description box. And then we've got a mixture of sweet peppers, so that's what we're going to be putting on our skewers. And I'm going to show you skewering up a few of them. And you want to go right through the thick part, and then also towards the thicker part towards the tail, because it starts to get pretty thin even closer to the tail. So as close to the tail as you can get, but still a thick part. So I'll show you that again. Just like that right there. I'm gonna reach in here, grab a couple peppers, and you can do whatever order you want. Put whatever you want on your skewer. Put a couple more here, right there. Just like that, and we're just gonna keep assembling these kebabs. And mix and match whatever you want on yours. You could put some chicken cubes on here, you could put some beef cubes. I'm gonna put a couple more peppers on this one. And this will act as something that'll actually help to hold these shrimp on as they cook as well. So there we go, and just kind of spread it out to where it gets even cooking space there. So that's one kebab. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of them. And next time I see y'all, we'll be out at the grill. Before we get out to the slow-ins here, I want to go ahead and give a quick shout out to Smokin Hot Chix LLC. That's the seasoning we're using for our kebabs today. I went ahead and seasoned one side off camera. They've been sitting here for about 10 or 15 minutes now with that side sitting up with the seasonings getting to soak in. And now we're gonna go ahead and season up the other side. So I'll have the information for them down below in the description box. Make sure you check them out. This is actually a beef dust, but it goes on anything that I've put on it so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish seasoning this side up, and next time I see y'all, we'll get out there to the slow and sear and get these grilling. It's time to get our shrimp kebabs onto the slow and sear 2-zone kettle. Look at that, those are looking beautiful. Got the sweet peppers and the red Argentinian shrimp. Let's go ahead and open up the slow and sear. And as you can see, we've got an elevated rack here, and we've got our indirect cooking section over there in the slow and sear basket. So what we're gonna do is place our skewers right here. Listen to that sizzle. This is gonna allow a slower cooking process, but an efficient cooking process. So we're gonna do 4 skewers for now. We'll finish those up and then add some more. But next time I see y'all, we're gonna flip them over and we'll give them a basting with that butter that Paul made. So y'all stick around. So it's been 5 minutes on the elevated rack for our shrimp kebabs. Man, look at the color there. It's time to get these rotated and flipped around. And then Paul's gonna baste them up with that awesome baste sauce that y'all saw him put together with the It's Incredible and the Heaven Made products. That smoke smelling awesome. The shrimp and bell pepper, or sweet pepper I should say, is smelling great. Look at the color. Paul's gonna go ahead and baste these bad boys up. It's time to baste these bad boys again. Look at this shrimp, that is looking insane. So we basted this side. We're gonna go ahead and flip them over one last time. Those peppers are sweating in nicely. That baste is sticking around with that garlic. Starting to get a nice color on everything. You can see how big those shrimp are still after we've cooked them. We're gonna baste these bad boys down with a little bit more of our sauce. Make sure we get all those flavors on there. Just like that. Get all that garlic on there. Let me go ahead and reposition this and get ready for the sear. And this shouldn't take long at all, just about 45 seconds each side. That's the sound you're looking for. We're gonna go ahead and, like I said, let these go for 45 seconds each side. These shrimp are already cooked, so we're really just looking for a nice sear at the end for a nice char effect from that awesome flavor that you get from the charcoal and the wood. So that's what we're working on right now. Next time we see y'all, we'll be giving it a try. Look at these. We got an awesome char on it. We got the sweet peppers, the shrimp. Let's give it a try, Paul.
Let's do.
I'm gonna take a pepper and a shrimp. That pepper is so awesome. Here we go. Cheers, y'all. That garlic sauce is insane with these peppers and this shrimp. I'm gonna have to give me another bite.
Absolutely.
Jeez. If you haven't made shrimp kebabs before, I highly recommend you do. I appreciate y'all for stopping by today. And until next time, guys, y'all go out there, get some ingredients, make you something awesome, make you some kebabs, and we'll see y'all next time.